Hey everybody, it's Marie at RV Camper. You know, I really miss making the cooking videos and videos as well. I'm going to get back to it, I promise. But I do want to come up with something where I can, well, besides being busy and not having that much time to make the videos, the cooking videos, it's the fact that the kitchen's so darn small. So I'm like, okay, what can I do? You can't really enlarge a cooking area in an RV. I mean, it's not like you can knock out walls like you can in a house. And then I really miss that screen porch that I had in Arizona. That kind of blew over. So I'm like, what can I do? I really want to cook. I need more counter space, that's for sure. And it was just too small. I really have to think about this one. So I bought a new travel trailer yesterday.